You know, I'll tell you, 9/11 has always been an interesting day for me. I remember back in college, I was in Penn State. I was a senior. I was about to graduate. I was graduating in December of that year, and that was my career fair day. That was the day I was supposed to go down to the Bryce Jordan Center to the main area to find a job and to find my opportunity. And I remember getting ready that morning, putting on the only suit I owned that my mom had bought me, and turning on the TV and turning on the news and seeing one of the planes hitting the buildings in New York. And I was so confused. I didn't know what was going on, and obviously most people across the world didn't know. I remember going down to one of the main areas on campus, and everyone was hysteric because there's a ton of people from the Penn State community that had friends and family, including myself. My brother lived in Boston at the time, and all I'd heard was a plane from Boston had crashed into the buildings in New York City, and I knew he was actually traveling that week for his job. And I also remember later that day we were supposed to have off of practice from my soccer team, from the Penn State soccer team, and we ended up having practice because, we just wanted to come together and be there for each other. And I just remember not being able to get a hold of my brother for most of the day because the cell service was down, and I had no idea. But I'll tell you, the world has an interesting way of having people and great people rebound and rebuild. I'll never forget 9/11 because it was, kind of early in my life. Many, many years later, I have nothing but respect and honor for anyone that, stepped up that day to take care of people that they never knew and to help people in their community. But I know that we're strong as a nation and we're strong as people, and amazing, great people will always come out on top.